I have did my IELTS last year when I was preparing for student visa to study in Sheridan College, and there someday if I scrolling the internet and I go through your videos, I doing reading. It was quite difficult for me like in the initial days. So, but when I watched your videos, I felt it like quite surprising. I got it right.
Oh,
And
nice.
yeah, day one I watched your videos. It really helped me in reading module.
Oh, that's
So yeah, and
awesome.
that's why I got 8 bands in reading.
Wow, that's awesome.
And my average at that time was only 4 bands.
Oh,
So it
wow.
increased by 4 bands,
That,
and that was really nice
that's really
experience.
nice. So, when exactly did you take the IELTS exam, you said?
Yeah, I took the IELTS exam last September. It's
Okay.
2022.
Okay, and what parts of the exam were challenging for you other than the reading?
So what was difficult for me that I have it difficult for me to manage the time for task 1 and task 2
For writing.
for writing.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So like I was giving 30 minutes to writing task 2 and 30 minutes to writing task one, but the correct timing is 20 for one and 40 for two, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
So you had a hard time managing your time. So
Yeah.
did you finish on time though, or
uh, I prepared a lot for that and I finished on time,
great?
to be
So
honest.
what advice could you give to students who are looking to take the IELTS exam or prepare for the exam?
I would like to say that they don't have to cram from internet. They just have to learn things from wherever they can learn. They can practice English by speaking with their classmates or their friends or their families rather than just cramming the books. And yeah, sure, they can watch their videos.
Yes, thank you for that. And so, what other materials did you use? Did you practice by reading articles or maybe listening to podcasts?
Yeah, I was listening to podcast on regular basis, and plus with that, I was reading English newspaper, The
Oh,
Times of India. Yeah.
oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah.
So, so the writing. Do you remember what type of question you were given to write the essay or the task one for?
So I vividly remember that they were like, if you like to invest more in museums or public parks, so what are your opinion?
Right.
Describe it,
Uh-huh.
and yeah, which do you support more? I do these kinds of questions.
Yes.
Yeah.
And what about for the speaking section? Do you kind of remember what topics
Yeah,
you were
speaking
given?
was not that difficult for me, but it was like hard for me to speak continuously for 2 minutes in
Uh-huh.
cue car.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so that's why I have to remember like in India it was Makkar cue cars.
Oh, Makar. Yes, I've
Makkar, you
heard
know
it.
that,
Yes.
right? So it was like 80 to 90 cue cards, and I didn't like learn it. I just go through it, and I tried recording myself on on phone or camera, and it really helped me.
Ah, that's a great advice you could give to students is record yourself,
Yeah, record yourself
see
and
if you
see it in the
can.
mirror. It will
Yes,
build confidence.
yes, definitely. Well,
Yeah.
thank you so much. So you took the academic exam, you said?
Yeah, I took the academic
Okay.
exam for study visa.
Yeah, that's awesome. And here you are today. You
Yeah,
got
I'm
to
here.
pass and you're in
Yeah.
college.
Yeah.
That's great. So, any last minute advice you could give to our students?
So I just want to say, don't put much time on like reading books or reading study materials
Yes.
related to us. Rather than that, spend time with family, friends, and just talk in English, practice in English, watch YouTube videos. Don't panic and build confidence.
Yes, thank you so much for your time.